The Road Ashram campaign, which arrived in Shillong on 3rd November 2020, has been conceptualized by a few like-minded people who are avid travelers and socially conscious. Members of the road camping ashram that include Siddharth Datta, Ehmer Siddiqui and Neha Chaturvedi have been traveling all over India and its neighboring countries in order to understand the humanitarian impact of the pandemic on people all over the globe.
It has its own expenses, like we are spending on fuel, we are spending on food, we are spending on stay. So, and even as we are trying to keep it as basic as possible, it comes with its own need of resources, and the resources are being completely done from personal initiative. So, no one's funding us, no one is, there's no support as such.
Being on the road for almost a month now has its own challenges because we practically are living in the car. We only get out to sleep. Otherwise, we're in the car for 10 to 14 hours. So it's interesting, it's challenging. The roads sometimes are not very good. But there are a lot of people at the same time who help us if we get stuck. That fear is always there, but one has to learn to live with it. Of course, as we travel, we take precautions, we do as much as we can, but at the same time, we have been, I don't think life stops with the virus. We all have to learn to live with it, and it is a disease, so the more medical kind of intervention that we can build, the more hospitals that are available, the more doctors get comfortable with dealing with the disease. Because it's not going to disappear suddenly. So we'll have to learn to live with it.
Speaking to newspersons in Shillong, Siddharth Datta said that the intention of the campaign is to create awareness and raise funds towards the effects of the virus on people across all classes and sections.
The objective of this campaign is to raise COVID awareness, also to raise funds for COVID. We are requesting people to donate to this campaign, Road Ashram. You can do that by logging into our website www.roadashram.in, and basically this health emergency has been converted in India into a huge humanitarian problem. So we are speaking with people from different walks of life and trying to find out how COVID has changed their life, how COVID has impacted their life, and doing a documentation of all this.